we have some missing fraction, addition and subtraction problems. So first, 3/5 plus what is equal to 4/5? Well, we can show 3/5 as 3 parts out of 5 on our fraction bar, and we know that something has been added to make 4/5. So if we colour in 4/5 of our fraction bar, we can see that we need an extra 1/5 to make 4/5 coloured in altogether. 1/5 of our fraction bar is yellow. And that makes sense, because whenever we have a missing number addition, we can use subtraction to find our missing number. So here, notice that 4/5, if we start with what's coloured in, take away 3/5, so take away what's coloured in blue, gives us our missing fraction, so gives us the 1/5 that we have in yellow. Now 1/8 plus what equals 5/8? Well, we can show 1/8 in blue, and then if we colour in yellow so that 5/8 of our fraction bar is coloured in altogether, we can see that we have 4 yellow pieces, so that's 4/8. And again, notice that 5/8 take away 1/8 is equal to 4/8. So we can use subtraction to find our missing number addition, even if the missing number is a fraction. Now let's move on to missing fraction subtraction problems. So 5/7 minus what is equal to 2/7? Well, we can show 5/7 as 5 parts out of 7, and we know that something has been taken away to leave us with only 2/7. So the 2/7 we're left with can be shaded in blue, and then we can see what's been taken away. It's the 3/7 that we have in yellow. And we know that if the second number in a subtraction problem is missing, we can still use subtraction to find our missing number. So notice that 5/7 take away 2/7 is equal to 3/7, so will find us our missing fraction. Finally, 5/6 minus what is equal to 1/6? We can show 5/6 as 5 parts out of 6, and we know that something has been subtracted to leave us with just 1/6, so that's the 1/6 that's now shaded blue. So we can see that 4/6 of our fraction bar is now yellow, and that's the 4/6 that's been taken away. And again, notice because it's the second number in our subtraction problem that's missing, we can use subtraction to find our answer. 4/6 is the same as 5/6 minus 1/6. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.